She comes here every day. I always see her from far. Maybe I should talk to her today. But what if she does not talk to me? What if she is rude? Maybe she is kind. I do not know. Maybe she will not even listen. I cannot stay quiet. Today, I will talk to her. I will try. Hi. Excuse me. I hope I am not disturbing you. I just wanted to say hello.
No, it is okay. I was just walking. What did you want to say?
I see you here almost every evening. I thought I should finally introduce myself. I usually sit there and read. It helps me clear my mind.
That sounds peaceful. What kind of books do you like?
I like stories about people and their dreams. They make me think about my own future.
That is beautiful. I study art, so I also think about dreams in the future.
Really? What kind of art do you create?
I love painting people and emotions. I try to capture how they really feel.
That sounds amazing. I think art can show feelings better than words.
I should go now. It was nice to meet you.
I am so silly. Yesterday I did not even ask her name. But today, I will ask. Today I will talk to her. I will ask her name. And I will invite her for coffee. I hope she says yes.
Hi. It is nice to see you again.
Thanks. Yesterday, we talked, but we did not even ask each other's names.
Oh, oh, you are right. My name is Emma.
I am Adam, by the way. It is nice to know your name. I was thinking, maybe we can sit and talk properly. Would you like to have coffee with me?
Oh, coffee sounds nice. Mm, yes, I would like that. I really enjoyed our time here this morning.
Me too, it was perfect. What would you like? 2 coffees, please.
I had a really nice time today, Adam.
Me too, Emma.
It was great.
You know, yesterday, after I went home, I kept thinking about our talk in the park.
Really? It was just a small talk, but I am glad you remember it.
Yes, it was small. I felt very comfortable talking to you. I am really happy you came with me today. I wanted to talk to you more.
I am happy too. I did not expect this. But I like it.
Here you go.
Thank you. So, tell me, what do you like to do in your free time?
At home, I spend time with my little brother. He is very funny.
That is nice. Do you live with your parents too?
Well, yes, I do.
I live with my parents. My mother is very kind.
I also live with my parents. I have one older sister. She is very caring.
That is nice. What does your sister do?
She is a teacher. She teaches young children. She loves her job.
Hmm. That is very nice. Teaching is a good job. Can I say something honest?
Of course. What do you want to say?
When I first saw you in the park, I felt something different. I do not know why. But I wanted to talk to you.
Different. What do you mean?
I felt calm with you. I felt happy. I did not feel nervous.
That is a nice feeling. But we do not know each other well.
I know. That is why I want to know you more. Slowly.
I like that you are honest.
I enjoy talking to you. I feel comfortable with you. I want to spend more time with you.
You mean? As friends?
Yes, we can start as friends. But I also want to see where this goes. Slowly. Without pressure.
You are very direct. Very direct.
I do not want to waste time. I just want to be honest with you.
And what if I say I need time?
Then I will wait. I respect you.
I like that you are honest.
So,
Can we try? Slowly.
Yes, we can try. Adam, before we go further, I want to tell you something important.
Yes, Emma. Please tell me.
I really like talking to you. But right now, my career is very important to me. You know I study art. I love painting.
Yeah.
It is my dream. I also want to support my family. They believe in me. So I must focus on my future.
I understand. Your dreams are important. And your family is important too.
I do not want any pressure. I want to move slowly. I need time.
I am not in a hurry. I respect your dreams. We can take it step by step.
That makes me feel better. Thank you for understanding. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe the channel.